enrolled in the automotive program at ICTC because there's a history of automotive techs in my family, so it's a great experience for me to be able to learn and further my education in vehicles. But I didn't expect for it to be as big as it was. When you're taking an engine apart, there's a lot more to it than just taking it apart. You got to remember how it goes back together. You got to remember which fluids you took out, which ones you got to put back in. So it's a lot to remember, but it's fun at the same time. You learn a lot, you really do. And it helps you to learn a lot if you read your chapters and then you get to go out and experience what you just learned. Be prepared to be challenged. This is a challenging class, but it is a fun class. If you like taking things apart or working with your hands, this is a great opportunity for you to take this class.